Hey everyone, how's it going? Been a couple 3 weeks now since my last video. It's a little bit chillier these days. I think it was only like 25 degrees this morning when I woke up. Nice frost outside. Winter's here in the Pacific Northwest. No snow, so that's good. I can live with that. But anyway, video just to go through my drawers that I'm making down here. This will be part one of probably at least 2 parts. Kind of struggling with these drawers. Don't know why, but it's good that I'm doing it now. But this is the part 1 of the video. Hope you watch, enjoy, and away we go. Time to make some drawers. Right now I'm just cutting off the scrap to give myself a bigger piece. I don't need this end of the board. Taping it off, it's pre-finished 1/2 inch plywood, so I didn't try to minimize the chip out on the top side here. So that's where I'm starting. Let's go. Well, now it's time to start drilling some pocket holes. I don't have one of those fancy pocket hole drillers yet, you know, like the Craig Foreman or whatever, but I have this little guy. Gets the job done, takes a little longer, but you know, use what you got. Yep, my battery's almost dead. And I'll just pop 3 holes in and then one in the middle-ish. Quick little video here. Started making some drawers for the cabinet on the right over there. That's going to be kind of like my tool cabinet, I guess. Kind of like a tool chest cabinet. But I started making the drawers and immediately started running into issues. Generally, I'll make a drawer with like a locking rabbet. That's the way I've done it before in the past, and I like doing it that way. Well, this time I decided, hey, I got a pocket screw jig, and I haven't done a lot with pocket screws. Let's make some pocket screws. Well, as you can see, I did this one with the pocket screws. This is a taller drawer. You know, turned out all right. Problem is that 1/2-inch plywood and pocket screws are not like cooperating for me. I made another drawer in that under the miter saw over there. That one turned out okay with the pocket screws, but this one, they're just not, I'm not happy with it. So I'm gonna end up remaking these and use my locking rabbet method that I used before. And then another issue was I made that too tall. I forgot about the 1/4-inch plywood that I'm going to attach to the bottom. So I'm going to go back and remake those too, and probably put a rabbet in the bottom of them. Do them the right way. I tried doing a shortcut, and now I'm paying for it. So, but I'm going to start doing that. Do it the right way, and we'll see how that goes. That was part one of my drawers that I'm building for that cabinet right there. Here's where I'm at right now. Had a little setback a couple weeks ago where I cut my finger. So I've been out of the shop for a couple weeks. Haven't been able to do any progress on those drawers, but I'll get back to it here shortly and get another video up. But I'm still struggling with these drawers. I'm just glad that I'm doing it now, because my future plan is to build the kitchen cabinets, remodel the kitchen and do that myself. But I'm glad I'm doing it out here now in the garage where I'm making the mistakes, and it's not gonna frustrate me inside the house when I want to do that right. I noticed in the video that at one point when I was cutting, you can see it in the video, I couldn't see it here, but dust collection is going to be coming up soon. Definitely need to do something with that, because I could see the dust in the sunlight outside, on the car, blowing in the sun there. So that was something I noticed watching these videos back. But anyway, if you like that, like, subscribe, share, and have a good day. See ya. Come on, do the zoomies. Quit chasing me. Go.